Alright, so we planned a route, guys. We're going to see if we can go ahead and do the route without running the map, though. I'll tell you what, guys, if you don't have the Rever app, you're definitely missing out, man. I've tried some of the other ones, and I actually paid for the Rever app because I got it for like 24 bucks. But if you don't have the Rever app, man, you need to get it. It's absolutely amazing. So you've seen me on this road a million times. Today we're going to take the DR200, my wife's bike, out for a MotoVlog. Just going to go for a little, street ride. I planned a route again on my Rever app, which is super simple to do, but it took about 15 minutes to plan it, and I kind of got the map route burned into my head, so we're just going to go ahead and do it without using the Rever app. I don't think we need to use it. It's all local roads I've been on before, but sometimes I always forget which turns to take, and I always end up going the wrong way and having to go a different route to get there. We're just going to go off memory. I'll bring you guys along with us on today's MotoVlog. Should be fun. It's going to be a mixture of roads. Some are going to be dirt, some are going to be gravel, and some are going to be paved. So a nice mixture of roads. No 300 two-stroke, but I tell you what, this little thing feels good, man. They can carve through the twisties no problem. I think it has to do with how light it is. Well, it's got less power than my 250L by a couple horsepower, but it's significantly lighter. I'm gonna do a couple mods to it for her. I'm gonna change the gearing, maybe go down a tooth in the front. Maybe throw my OEM, it's a 15 front, maybe throw my OEM 14 front on from the 250L, the OEM sides, if it's the same type of sprocket, and see how that feels. And I'm probably gonna slap a 132.5 main jet in the carb, and a 37.5 pilot jet. I'll do a little bit of mods to the carb, and then probably throw a Q4 on, and we'll see how she feels from there. Man, I've been stuck behind this truck here for a little while, guys. This farm truck, whatever he is. See, trying to shift up a gear. But I tell you what, this thing will easily cruise 55, 60, no problem, 5th gear. And it doesn't sound like it's revving out too high. Doesn't feel bad, feels very stable. And a lot of roads around me aren't highway based, so you don't have to hit 65 plus miles an hour, Most streets around me are well under 50. It's just gonna be a chill ride for me, guys. Nothing better than a nice chill ride, man. Ease the mind. I want to give a shout out to each and every one of you guys. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I'm half tempted to just go around this guy. Yeah, I don't know what they were doing. I don't know if they were stopping for somebody else, what he was doing. Not really quite sure. Of course, I get stuck behind another person. I'm gonna go around this guy too. I got time to wait on him. That nice peaceful little road back here. I'm gonna bring the wife down these roads. There's a couple right next door to my house too. I'll show you guys. It'll be at the very end of the ride though. So one update I want to give you guys on the giveaway. I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm actually currently looking into international shipping options and what all that's going to run and things of that nature. So I'd like to include everybody from everywhere. So once I get a little bit more information on that, I'm waiting to hear back now. I'll let you guys know if I'll include it worldwide for the giveaway. I'd really, like I said, I'd really like to include everybody. I'd not like to keep it just in the US for the first giveaway. Unfortunately, if I have to, then I have to. And again, like I said, I'll make it up to you guys. But I am currently inquiring on international shipping. So again, I'll give you guys an update on that once I hear back and find out what the pricing and all that good stuff. If I do decide to do the international shipping, you know, the time frame of the shipment, when and if somebody's picked that's out of the country, is just going to be based off of, you know, I'll make sure, obviously, I'll get a tracking number and all that stuff. And I'll just make sure that you guys, I wanted to catch a little air there. I caught a little air there when I rode through here the other day on this. Literally got the front and the rear off the ground. My buddy was with me, he was behind me. Said I got about 6 inches of air. Anyways though, I'll get tracking numbers and all that stuff so I can track the shipment. But other than that, I just wanted to give you guys that little update on the giveaway. So I'm just waiting to hear back on that, and I will update you guys as soon as I find out about that, whether I am going to include international or not on the giveaway. Other than that though, man, this guy's kicking up. Cancel, Senna. This guy's kicking up some gnarly dust. So that's the end of that portion of the dirt/gravel road. Let's see if my brain will remember that GPS tracking that I did on my Rever app. And this really is a fun little bike though. Super, super low to the ground for me. It's super, super light, man. Like, both feet flat on the ground with my knees bent, no problem on this bike. Almost just makes you feel like you live up in the woods, like up on a mountaintop in the woods somewhere. I mean, whoever does live here is living up in the woods. That's a fact. This is our second portion of the gravel road. I think I'm going to take the wife back to Pennsylvania next weekend, maybe Saturday, maybe Sunday, maybe go to AOAA, take her there. I haven't received my skid plate yet for this, and it's probably going to take a little while, but I'm not going to take her through any of the really insane portions of AOA. I'll keep her on the big, wide open trail systems and some of the single track that's not full of nothing but rocks. Man, I can't wait to get this front tire ripped off and the D Sport put on. Just so much better track. These people live back here. Super, super cool, man. Like, I hope you have four-wheel drive in the wintertime, because you're not getting through here without it. Driving a little Toyota Camry or something, two-wheel drive, two-wheel front-wheel drive, your ass ain't going nowhere. Not up this hill in the winter. I'll tell you that right now. Maybe when it's dry or just wet with rain, but you're not getting up this with snow or ice. This is a gnarly hill. Something I'm sure all you guys are aware of, and it's funny because, like, as an example, and my ride with my wife at the Bald Eagle State Forest, when she went up her first hill climb, and I was like, yeah, that thing was pretty gnarly. It's funny because the camera does it no justice. Like, you guys probably look at it and be like, ah, that hill's nothing. it's pretty steep. It's pretty good grade. Like that right there was pretty gnarly, but I bet you on camera it looks like nothing. You know what I mean? That's just the way it is. People kayak up and down this, which is kind of nice. How's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. That t-shirt. This is a cool little road here. It's literally just wide enough. Like if you got a dually, man, you're taking up this whole road. Gnarly drag strip right here. And that's full throttle, 5th gear. Oh no, that's 4th. Fairly low RPM though. I didn't wind it out. Something I gotta say about this bike too though, guys, is that when I hear the word drum brake, it sketches me a little bit. But I tell you what, the rear brake on this bike, braking system entirely is absolutely amazing. Like the brakes on this bike work extremely well. And my wife said they worked really well off-road. They work extremely well on road, rear and front. Bom ba bom. I rehooked my Senna 30K back up in my helmet, and I made sure that speakers are positioned perfectly over the ears, or as perfect as I can get them. It sounds really good now. When I initially installed it, for some reason I had the speakers way too far back, like they were almost behind my damn ears. But why don't we go down there, guys, and try to ride up it with this thing. We'll just go right in the center, and we'll just ride straight up it. What do you think? Yeah, let's do it. We'll hop this guardrail. No f***s given, right? We come up here to tube all the time with the kids. It's awesome. It's a good time. We'll park up here for a minute, get a drink of water. And this is just one of my local state parks here. Like I said, it's great for tubing. They do camping and they have a campground and all that good stuff too, so. Ha 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 ha. Very peaceful. All right, so we let the bike cool off for a couple minutes. It's pretty hot today. It's 90 something. It says 92. That's what the Rever app says. That's what it feels. It's not very humid though, which is awesome. All right, well, so we're back on the pavement, guys. Well, mainly the pavement here. We got one last gravel dirt road we're gonna hit. That's pretty much right next to my house. I'll show you guys that one. Probably take about 5 minutes to get there. Man, it's hopping over there today. Coronavirus my ass. Look at that. Man, you see that? We're going right up in that bitch. It's right up in there. Let's see what the hell is going on. Give me some free food. Nah, they ain't gonna have no food up in there. At least not for me. Maybe they will. The gate should be open. I should be able to ride right in there. Let's see what's going on. Dude, there's mad heads in there. Mad people. Mad people. See what's going on. Watch them have something like at the gate, like, oh, don't come in here. Young Guns tournament. No parking. Dude, it's hopping. I'm just spinning around. I was seeing what was going on. Man, it's hopping in here. Hopping in here today. Mad people. And guess what? They did have food. They indeed had food. Let's go hit this last. Let's go and hit this last road, guys. Man, it was hopping in there, dude. Hopping in there. Young Guns tournament, whatever that is. It's probably all the, how you doing? I wonder where she came from. Meaning like the road, probably the house right there. Let's go down Woodtop Way. Alrighty then, ladies and gents. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little ride along with me. Enjoyed seeing maybe the DR again, maybe not. There'll be days where I take this out over the CRF just because throw myself on something different. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Always new content coming. Give me a thumbs up, a like on this video, or don't, up to you. And I will give you guys an update on the international shipping for the giveaway. So stay tuned for that, everybody. Adventure Zach is out. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I went hard in the classroom simply cause I had my sights set around past June. Graduated chilling hard in the afternoon, contemplating verses that I put onto a track soon.